Today we are going to learn ellipse by arc of a circle method. Dimension of major axis AB it is given 150 mm. And minor axis it is given 100 mm. So first we mark our end point of major axis AB and end point of minor axis CD, and O is a center point of our two axes, major axis 150 mm, minor axis 100 mm. Now we go to find our focus point F1 and F2 with CF1 distance of focus point from C is equal to distance of another focus point F2 is equal to 1 of major axis. It means AO. If you go for DN, to DF1 is equal to DF2 is equal to 1 of major axis AO. Now we take the radius AO, center, end point of minor axis, and I draw the arc on both sides of minor axis on major axis, where we have the F1 point and F2. Now the next step, we measure the distance F1 to O point, and we divide this distance in number of parts. So here I am taking the 11 mm. Similarly, you can divide on other side of distance OF2 in same number and 11 mm each part. Now you can give the number 1, 2, 3, 4. Similarly here the 4, 3, 2, 1. You can choose the any part, number of parts, but when you go for putting your points, whichever number you writing here, same number it is starting from other side. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now the next step for arc of a circle method. First I take the radius of distance A1, center F1, and we draw the arc on both sides. Similarly, distance B1, center F2 point, you can draw the arc on both sides. Similarly, B2 2 point, center F2, you can draw the arc. Similarly, you can take the distance A2 2 points, center F1, you can draw the arc. The intersection arc, it is your P1, here it is your P2. Similarly, the top points P1 and P2. Now take the distance A2 3, radius F1 point center, you can draw the arc on both sides. Similarly, you choose your distance B2, same 3 points, F2 point center, you can draw the arc on both sides. It is our P3, P3. Now I choose the A2 4, F1 center, I draw the arc on both sides. Similarly, choose the B2, same 4 point, center F2, you can draw the arc on both sides. This is your P4, P4. Continues your process on other direction. A2, this 4 points, it is a distance, it is a radius. Same F1, it is a center. I draw the arc. Whenever I measure the distance from B to this 4 point, that time F2 become the center, I draw the arc. Similarly, you can do for A2, 3 points, F1 center, draw the arc. Now B2 3 points, your F2 it is a center, Now again I measure the distance from A to 2 points. When I choose the distance radius A to 2, F1 is a center. I draw the arc. Same repeat step guides you have to follow. B to 2, F2 point center, you can draw the arc. Now for the last point, A to 1 point, radius, F1 center, I draw the arc. Similar distance B1, F2 point center, I draw the arc. Now this is your P4, P3, P2, P1, end point of major axis, it is our P0. This is a P1, it is our P2, P3, P4. Now what we do? We connect all the points with smooth curves. So we start our ellipse from A, then P1, P2, P3, P4, P4, including with C, P4, P3, P2, P1. Then you connect with B, then from B, P1, P2, P3, P4, including with your D point. You can pass all the ellipse from all the points. You can get the engineering curves ellipse using arc of a circle method. हेलो गाइड्स, आपको जो ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा है तो आप उसको लाइक कीजिए, हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, तो आपको अगले वीडियो हमारे आपको कंटिन्यूस मिलते रहेंगे।